All right, this is on a 2015 2-liter turbo Fusion. Little EcoBoost. Why will this not break loose? Why has this tensioner got a lock on it? You can see it in the mirror there. It's got a lock on it. You can't even loosen the belt. Who designed this? It will not swing forward to loosen the belt. Look at that, right there. There's the mirror image of it. That's what's going on. Folks, this is absolutely insane. I have never seen anything like this before. I have to cut that off just so I can take this belt off. Alright, as you see, I had to chop that little area off. I kind of just used my Dremel and then tapped it with a screwdriver and it fell off. That little piece right, where is it at? Right in there. Well, on the mirror, it's right there. Okay, you can see the brake. If you look in the mirror, you can see the brake right there. And now I'm going to put this 14 on here. And let's see if it'll loosen. Oh, now it'll loosen. How about that? Now I can get the belt off so I can finish my job. Thanks, Ford. And now I'm taking a file to it, just to file down the rough edges, just in case I'm down here working on it in the future, so I don't get sliced wide open. I have no idea why that lock was on there. Why would you lock the belt from being removed? That made zero sense. All right, folks, hopefully this will help somebody else out. I mean, it only took me didn't take long at all. I mean, a couple of minutes literally to score it, and then it popped off when I hit it with a screwdriver and a hammer. Didn't hit it very hard, just tapped it a couple times and it just popped off. So hopefully it works out for somebody. See ya.